Swimming in her waters, I get lost up in her waters. This goddess trapped me with her aura. She got me wanting more. Swimming in her waters, lost up in her waters, trapped up in her aura.
What is up, y'all? How are you all doing? Thank you so much for coming back and watching another one of my videos. I got this wig from RoyalMe Hair. Big shout out to them. Thank you guys so much. They sent me out one of their bob wigs, and I believe the style name is Audrey. It's either Audrey or Aubrey, one or the other, but I have the information down below in the description. I'm showing you all how it came packaged to me and everything like that. The knots came pre-bleached, okay? It came already bleached. The hairline was pretty much pre-plucked, like to a good density where you really didn't have to pluck anything, but I did go back in and pluck just a tad. But yeah, y'all, the lace on this wig is HD, okay? And when I say it's HD, it's the real HD. This is no games here. I did get a 5x5 closure, and the length was a 14-inch, but I did eventually cut it. You all will see in the video when I cut the hair, but I cut it shorter. I'm not sure what inch I cut it to, but I did cut it shorter. But yeah, y'all, so I pressed, I styled this hair, pre-styled this hair, pressed out the hair so I could cut into a bob, a blunt cut bob. Y'all, I love this style so much. Y'all know, if y'all been watching my channel for the longest time, y'all know I'm not a fan. Well, I started off with the closures because that's what we all was, rocking with, right? But, as the frontals have just came to be where they are, I'm a frontal girl. So me and closures, we don't really get along, or I'm not really a fan of closures on me and my head shape. But this one here, honey, this one was it, okay? This one was it. It was so cute, so lightweight. I want to say the density of this wig is 150% density. Y'all, it turned out so freaking cute. And the best part for me was the lace, okay? It was the lace for me. It was the lace. Y'all, the lace on this wig is what took it home for me, okay? When I put this wig on, baby, like, the lace instantly melted. I really honestly didn't even have to, like, secure it with any hairspray if I didn't want to. But y'all know that's how I do. And I literally did not have to put any makeup on the hairline or on the lace to match it to my skin tone. So y'all, if you're looking for some good lace, I would definitely say give RoyalMe a try. Of course, do your research, but my experience with them so far was superb. The packaging, as you saw at the beginning, beautiful. It came with some goodies. Again, the wig came pre-bleached, so I didn't have to bleach any knots. It really came pre-plucked really good, where I didn't have to pluck anything, but I did because I just wanted to, how I am, I'm extra. And yeah, it was so easy to work with this wig, y'all. Like, I was highly impressed. I loved every bit of my experience with RoyalMe Hair, okay? So again, all the information and specs are down below if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Y'all have seen me apply my wigs time and time again, so I would not bore y'all. I love y'all so much. Any comments, questions, or concerns, y'all know y'all can leave them down below for me. And again, I love y'all so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video.
Up in her waters, trapped up in her aura. She got me wanting more. Staring at her features, always glad to meet you. Baby, what's your name? That's it when I greet you. Smell that marijuana, I'm no preacher or no teacher. I'm over the time to roll the weed about the bleachers. Leather jacket sneeze, match me with your joker. Vaporwave princess, so I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started peeking. I would like you for a night, wanna keep you past the weekend day.
Sit back, enjoy the smoke. You love the shit I quote. I
love her cause this shorty different from them other hoes. She get sexy for me, only do it for me, and that's what I prefer. We get ghost, just say the word. And shorty bad, yeah, I need her. Eat her like a slice of pizza. Spend more time out with parking around the meter. Baby girl, I swear I need you, hey. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Yeah, baby, I can feed her, swam. 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 Baby, I can feed her, swam.
Hey, you got this close around cause you know who you with. The groupie got me go so hard, we slept like 5 or 6. Introduce you to the team, you just might meet the clique. Take your ass to Ruby Land, now you know all your shit. And you's a bad girl, and you different from the rest. I'm not talking about the sex, but every time I lay the rest, I think about your chest, your waist, them thighs, hypnotized with wet shit. Caught me way off surprise, I swear you.
Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Smoke.
This one's for you. Hounded on the beat. Yeah, you know it's sounding so sweet.